So hello and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we opened door number 1, and out of door number 1 we got a hook and we got, oh, there's Santa's hat. We got a hook and we got the password for a pattern. We also got a ball of DK confection from Bella Coco, and with it we made the first square. Now mine isn't perfect, but that doesn't matter because, as you can see, although I went wrong in the middle, I picked it back up and understood the pattern, so I've left that in as a I am learning. So that was day 1. So let's have a look for day 2. So day 2 is down here, and in day 2 we've got another ball of confection DK, this time in the colour Clotted Cream. So that's a slightly, this light doesn't do it justice unfortunately, but that's a slightly pinkish white this time. So if I put it next to that one, you can sort of see the colour contrast. Once again, I'll get the pattern in an email or on a blog to be able to make the next square. And then it looks like we've got another hook, sparkly again. This time looks like it's got snowflakes on it, and it's a 3.5mm. So I'm guessing that the pattern today will probably use a 3.5mm, but I'm not sure. Yesterday's did use the 4mm, so if the pattern runs true, then today should hopefully use a 3.5. But that is all for box 2. Hopefully I'll have the square from day 2 finished for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.